Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by crafting the camera and basic wiring, then place the camera where it can see the area you want monitored. Once placed, route wiring to your power source and a switch or timer so you can control it remotely. Make sure distance and obstacles won't block sight. You want consistent feed quality. Also check that the feed point is not inside RAID block structures. This initial setup prevents common visibility and power issues down the line. Next, you wire the camera into your console or monitor and verify the feed ID and channel so the game links the devices. Once done, open the camera inspector to adjust orientation and zoom, make small incremental changes, and test to reduce blind spots. Make sure wiring runs are inside walls or guarded conduits to prevent easy dismantle. Also confirm tool cupboard permissions so only authorized players can modify camera settings. This prevents accidental disconnects during beta. To finish, test the live feed from every console you plan to use and record any errors so you can reproduce failures. Once satisfied, add a redundant camera or alternate angle to prevent total blackout during raids. If something goes wrong, first check power lines and wiring for breaks, then confirm permissions and that no other device is using the same channel. If the camera still fails, replace the unit to rule out corruption and make small changes one at a time to identify the root cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.